Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video of the weekly outlook series. Maybe for the new members, I will do a slight of introduction of what we do in this channel. We mainly do a weekly prediction each and every week at the beginning of the week to try see where the market is moving to or is heading to, and we try spot some PDRA that support our buyers so that we can trade at a place of informed trader, at a place of information, so that we are not second guessing ourselves in the marketplace, so yeah, we basically does that. So think of it as a pre-week analysis. Yeah, so we're going to start by the trading quote of the week, and the trading quote of the week says that most price action is random. Your job as a trader is to find the signals inside all the noise. So basically, this quote tried to teach us is like we are not supposed to trade everything. We are supposed to find for the best opportunity. We are supposed to find the best setup which we can capitalize on it. Like this quote is trying to teach us, we should find a good system that we trade and follow, and not trade everything, not trade each and every candle, not to trade each and every day. Like you have some sort of system that you are following. We'll go now to the lesson of the week, and on this week we'll be learning about fair value gap. I know you all know the fair value gap, but it's good to learn some slight of thing about fair value gap. Fair value gap is basically a three candle pattern formation where the first and the third candle does not overlap each other, which leaves behind a gap here, and theoretically this gap is believed to have unfilled orders, and later market come fill those orders and then rallies or distribute. That's basically a fair value gap. We have two types of fair value gap: a bullish FVG and a bearish FVG. You can use this gap to support your buyers or build a narrative of what the market is trying to do, or even use this as an entry model. Actually, I use this as my entry model. It's basically ICT 2022 model, where ICT introduced fair value gaps. So these are good patterns that you can use and capitalize and make something of the market. So we will go straight to the main business of this week, which is our weekly outlook, and we normally do outlook for major pairs only. So I will go to the DXY. So for the DXY this month, what I'm seeing is that we took this liquidity below here, and what I'm seeing is that we are starting rallying up. So we are currently at this candle. This is a monthly candle, and what I'm seeing on this monthly candle is a bullish monthly candle, where we first dropped from the low of the month, and now we are starting distributing to form the high of the month and later close that month. So I'm eyeing for this buy side liquidity here. You can see we also have a fair value gap above that liquidity point. We have a fair value gap, and also we have a inverse fair value gap, which forms a BPR, balance price range, and I think price will come and balance that imbalance there. So on a monthly candle, I'm bullish for the DXY. So we'll go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, what I'm seeing this order block as a potential support for our price. Maybe price might come, use that order block to push high. The price might decide to do this, to do that, and then rallies, and then rallies, the price might decide to do that. On the daily time frame, we have this fair value gap here. We have this fair value gap which market have already filled it. We have that fair value gap which market have already filled it, and we can see it have been respected because this candle closed outside that fair value gap. So on Monday you can see something like this, something like that, or you can see some slight of retracement. You can see some slight of retracement like this and then like that, but generally we are bullish on DXY. So that means that you should be bearish on EURUSD, GBPUSD. You should be bullish on USDJPY. You will apply the correlation to trade your best major pair. So this week we are eyeing at those liquidity points above there. So we are bullish on DXY. So that's it for the weekly outlook. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Yeah, and let's help each other. So thank you. God bless.